Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. I know it's been really long कि मैंने वीडियो नहीं बनाया because I was a bit busy with my other personal works and चलो इसी के साथ I'll quickly share कि मैं usually shopping जाती हूँ तो कैसे रेडी होती हूँ and the best part was मतलब every time I'm going out I am doing the same makeup and I was loving it तो मुझे लगा कि क्यों ना share करूँ. सो फर्स्टली मैंने मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाया है न्यूट्रीडर्म का. गाइज यस आई रिसीव्ड अ पीआर ऑफ दिस, बट इसके पहले मैंने खुद के पैसे से ये प्रोडक्ट ख़रीदा था और यूज़ किया था. इट इज़ रियली एन अमेजिंग मॉइस्चराइज़र. इफ़ यू हैव एक्ने मार्क्स स्पॉट्स, ऐसे भी अगर ज़्यादा ड्राइनेस है स्किन में एंड यू वांट टू यूज़ अ नाइस मॉइस्चराइज़र, थोड़ा अच्छा वाला मॉइस्चराइज़र, then you should definitely buy this. And now I directly use my foundation because usually when you're going to a shopping या कहीं बाहर तो you don't have that much of time के primer लगाओ, do so many things. But this foundation is so good. You all will see instantly कि मैंने एकदम थोड़ा सा लिया है. This is the L'Oreal 24 Hour Infallible Matte Foundation. येस दिस इज़ अ मैट फाउंडेशन, बट अगर आप स्किन प्रेप करते हो या अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाते हो तो डेफिनेटली ये वाला फाउंडेशन हर किसी को सूट करेगा. एंड यू ऑल कैन सी इट इज़ सच एंड फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन. आई लव दिस इज़ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट फाउंडेशन. I can compare this with Huda. You all can see this is an exact match of my neck and chest. So I'm in the shade 101.5. You can choose according to your complexion, and especially for the girls who are oily skin type or combination skin type, you're gonna love this. And normal or dry skin type can apply a good moisturizer and then use this foundation. You are going to enjoy this foundation as it's going to hide every little acne mark or whatever you have, those pigmentation, सब कुछ ये छुपा देगा and it gives you a beautiful skin. This is the new way I'm applying my eyebrow pencils these days. I just comb it down, just fill the upper eyebrow and then just comb it again upward. You all can see instantly it's gonna give me such a beautiful eyebrow. Can you all see the difference? मुझे आईब्रोज़ बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है बिकॉज इट डिफाइंस योर फीचर्स सो वेल. ये चेहरे का लुक ही चेंज कर देता है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव नेवर ट्राइड प्लीज़ ट्राई. और अगर जिस किसी को भी आईब्रोज़ बनाना पसंद है प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताओ विच आर योर फेवरेट आईब्रो प्रोडक्ट्स, ताकि मैं भी ट्राई करूँ और शेयर करूँ. You all can see it is looking so natural. इतना natural look दे रहा है ये and इतने easy से फटाफट से हो जाता है. Now the next product what I'm using is from the Flower Beauty. This is a face palette. मैं हल्का सा blush लगाऊंगी and then I'm going to use the highlighter. Can you all see the sheen what it is giving me? I usually don't like too much of color but glow तो यार हर किसी को पसंद होता है. And just check this. I mean, like, it is so soft, softer than the Maybelline Master Chrome. तो आप इमेजिन कर लो इतना सॉफ्ट है, बिल्कुल चंकी ग्लिटर्स नहीं है. And I bought this palette just because of the highlighter. And I'm loving it. I'm using it from so long. Can you all just see the pigmentation? It is so beautiful. I mean, एकदम natural look देता है. It does not have a bit of chunky glitter at all. Now after this मैं कुछ आई शेडो कुछ नहीं लगा रही हूँ. Directly I'm just applying the mascara. These days I don't like kajal. I only like to apply mascara. It's been more than 2 years now. I have stopped applying kajal. I am just loving the way it gives that natural look just by applying the mascara. And yes, this is the Maybelline mascara. I love Maybelline mascaras. All the mascaras are amazing. You can try any of them, but this is the most affordable but very effective. It looks very pretty. The wand is really amazing. When it is Indian look, I like to have lot of kajal and everything, but when I'm wearing casuals, I love this kind of look. Very simple, very elegant and cool. And now with the same eyebrow pencil, I'm just going to draw a line outward my eye. Can you all see? Instantly it is giving such a beautiful shape to your eyes. I just drag the pencil little bit outside and give the shape. That's it. If you're a girl who doesn't like kajal, तो ये definitely try करना. This gives a beautiful shape to your eye and also looks something different. आप एक बार try करना और comment करना. And now to hydrate my lips, I am just going to use this Lineage lip mask. These days I am scrubbing so often and I'm loving it because you all can see that it's giving me that pink lips. And yes, keeping it very simple, no lipstick today. And usually I am not applying these days because I don't know, I am loving more of natural and simple look. And that's it. I just comb my hair like this, tie a bun because usually हरी में रहती हूँ, कहीं जाना आना रहता है, तो then this is how I do. I just use a rubber band and then tie a, that's it. I tie my hair like this and leave it. And if you feel like or if you want to, you can leave your hair open as you wish. I just take this kind of spoolie and just comb my hair in the front so that everything looks very neat and tidy, and then clip it with a tic tac pins. It gives a nice cool teenager kind of look and I love it. Sometimes it is nice and different to get ready like this. And otherwise you can always leave your hair open or whatever hairstyle you choose to, but keeping this makeup very simple, very elegant. And ये वाला makeup look मैं hardly 5 or 7 minutes में create कर लेती हूँ because I'm used to it. I do it very फटाफट. ये तो वीडियो बनाना है, इसके लिए टाइम लगता है to show you all everything and explain. But otherwise when I'm doing it, जब मुझे बाहर जाना है, it is like instant. फेस वॉश किया, मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाया, कितनी बार तो मैं फाउंडेशन आई डू इट विथ माई फिंगर्स इटसेल्फ एंड जस्ट डू माई आईब्रोज एंड अ लिप बाम एंड आई एम गुड टू गो. जस्ट लिटिल बिट ऑफ मस्कारा एंड आप देख सकते हो, जो हेयर स्टाइल करो मर्जी आपकी. एंड दैट्स इट. आई एम गेटिंग लेट, सो सी यू ऑल सून इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय बाय.